We got the 2009 Toyota Corolla with the 1.8. Bad starter. Before I get to this repair, let me tell you a little bit about myself. I'm the type of person that like getting straight to the point. So that's enough about me. Let's get to this repair. We got the starter down here. I already been looking at it, and I noticed right here, I don't know if you can see that. Get down a little closer there. See that there? That's a starter bolt. It's missing. So I went ahead and told the customer, go ahead and get a bolt up, get that bolt while you're at it. So we're gonna have to remove this cable here to start signal wire. On here we have, that's the power wire, and I believe that's going to be a 13 millimeter for that. Is what it looks like it's going to be. Let me find my 13 wrench so I can get that loose. I did not disconnect the battery because I don't like disconnecting the batteries on these Toyota vehicles. I just be real careful about where that wire lays when I remove it. But if you're not that good at it, I recommend you disconnecting the battery before you do this. That way you don't burn nothing up. I just hate resetting the computer. I'm trying to do this with one hand while I'm filming with the other, so bear with me. Start a power wire. Got the nut off. Put the nut up there. Not gonna need it because the starter comes with a new one. And this one right here, I'm just gonna fold this back over, keep that out the way from arcing out on something, and tuck it off up here behind these wires. And I think we should be, well, right now we should be good. I had to pause the video for a second. Customer came up with questions. Didn't know I was recording. Okay, so we got those two loose. Off. We got the signal wire off, the hot wire off, battery and tucked out the way so it don't arc out on anything. We're gonna go on the bottom, and that's gonna be 14 millimeter, I believe. So I'm gonna get my old trusty Milwaukee. Hopefully it breaks it free. So we're gonna go up under the car. Bring you guys up under here. I already pulled that down. Let's see what we have. There it goes. Oh, look like I'm gonna need an extension. I don't feel like jacking this car up. Sure hope I don't have to. That's a reverse. Let's see what we can get here. I don't know if you guys can see that from this angle, but I'm just gonna go on there. Break it free, and then that should be enough. Look at that. Fell right out. That baby fell right out. That's the old starter. Had to beat on it to get it to work. Here's the new starter. Let's compare them. They got one from Advanced Auto Parts. Guess that's what happens when you buy remanufactured stuff. Looks the same. Here's the bolt that I had them buy. It's for that top. That's going to go in from the top. Might have to find a washer for it. Let's see if we can get this baby tucked in from the bottom. So we're going to get it placed up in there where it goes at. And we're going to get the bottom bolt put in and snug down, so we can go up to the top and get the top bolt put in and tighten. Then we'll come back down and tighten the bottom bolt. And I'll bring you guys back after that. Okay, let's bring you guys back. I got the starter pretty much up in there from the bottom. I had to use two hands on it to get it started, so I couldn't hold the phone and do that. And pretty much we're just gonna take a little bit of starter and just snug this down with your fingers. There we go. That should be good enough, I think. And we'll go up to the top. Take this one up to the top. And you know what? Let me go find a washer for this one. I'll be right back. Oh, here we go. I can bring you guys along. Show you what this mess looks like. That's my avalanche. This is what I call the driveway toolbox. See what we have in here. Can use a cloth washer maybe. Let's see. That should be perfect. Let's go see how it works out. That's me riding in the truck with the big nuts on it. So we can get this baby started down in there. Let's see. Can you see that? Perfect. How about that? I forgot to see what size that was though. It's gonna be a different size. I'll tell you that much. Bigger than a 14. Oh, that looked like it's gonna be a 17. Do that. I'm not sure if I'm gonna get that ratchet up in there. That Milwaukee, so I'm gonna get the old snap-on out. Hold on 1 second here. Get set up. Get the old snap-on flex head. Let's see if we can get down in there good. I see a leak right here. How about that? Maybe I'll point that out to them and see if something they want to get replaced. Ain't got much room to ratchet here. Yeah, that should be torqued down pretty good. Comes to the bottom. With the cordless. Don't want it broke. Don't want it broke. Let's come up to the top. I guess I should have took this off first. It's alright though. Get the nut and the washer off. Let's plug the signal wire in. And let's get the battery wire, open this up. Get that joker put on, like so. Get the lock washer and the nut. Just get that finger tight. $13mm wrench. Get that on. Close that up. Let's go get the key and see if this baby starts up. Okay. See what we got here. Ooh, almost dropped the phone. Still running? Yeah, we still recording. Get this key put in. Sweet. She's back driving again. It's got a flashing tire pressure light. I'm guessing it's lost communication with the tire pressure sensors or something along that nature. She's back up and running. Thanks for watching. I want y'all to hit the thumbs up if you like the video. If you don't, give it a thumbs down. Leave a comment. Subscribe. See y'all later.